How to fix Uber Eats ID verification. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Uber Eats ID verification. The first thing you want to do is open Uber Eats app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you will have different options. Go ahead and select help option from here. Now tap on I need to contact support option. Now over here, you want to type that you are facing issue with Uber Eats ID verification and that you would want to manually verify your ID. Once you send this option, the customer support of Uber Eats will be in contact with you. Then they will help you fix this issue, and in this way you can fix Uber Eats ID verification problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.